Oh, guys, you want to become data analyst and you don't know how to start, I'd like me to show you how to start to build like this data analyst project. Just think of this project like yours. So when you have a business and then because you don't know you're about inside business, like inside, you don't know what is going on. Maybe it's your company is growing or your company is going increasing. You don't know, right? So why is data analysis becoming so important? So why so many companies now startups who are data analysis developers? So why? Because it will help you to understand the inside your business. Everything inside you are going to understanding, and so in that case you are going to build exactly like this one, and then you are going to build better than this one. So this one just I want to show you how to build, how to grow, how to understand inside your data or inside your business. So this is what I already created like this. But in my next tutorial, we are going to create another like this one or different way. We are going to create another full stack uh, data analysis project. So I already done a business intelligence dashboard for road accident data analysis. So that's a really interesting project I already released. And guys, if you really want to create like that, so it's a good tool. I want to recommend you are going to create that project, and then you are going to find in your dreams job wherever you want. So this one project, it's look working very perfect. It's work nice. Everything is working. See guys, it's look perfect. How to analyze. In this way, you're going to create like slides and to analyze your project, or you're giving anyone when you're sharing, so they can, work exactly and they understanding these dashboards. We are going to create another deep one, but I just want to share with you this one, and you can understanding and how it's working. Guys. So you see everywhere you just click it, it's going to give you different analyze. Okay. Okay. So guys, I hope you're learning how it's look, and then how you are going to create like this, similar like this. And then guys, don't forget, if you are new here, like, subscribe. We are going to create our next project, full stack data analyze. So let's go to uh, start to create our data analyze. See you in my next tutorial.